Hi, today I'm going to show how to answer and how to get the free crypto drop from Revolut. In this case, we're going to be doing the Cronos quiz. So it's going to be very simple. Just go to the Discover tab, tap in the cryptos in Cronos, and then we start with the first lesson. We can skip all the first things, and in the first test, we're going to mark on 3, on the first answer, the scroll, and on the second answer, sorry, that is discover. So you can see here, the third answer, the first answer, and then the second answer. And with doing that, we're going to be directly awarded the first drop. Then you can go directly to the next quiz. And here, again, we can skip all of this stuff, and now the answers will be 4, 3, and 3. So once we answer that, we can see again that first 4, then the third answer, and then the third again, and we're going to get awarded again the Crow crypto tokens. Then the third quiz is also going to be super simple again, and it's going to be 2, 3, and 4. So it will be, as now we can see here in the summary, first of all the second one, then the third, and finally the fourth answer. And with that, we are going to get all the drops from